Welcome to Superior Detailer. What we have here is a perfect example of our restorative detailing service here. It's super high-end and super involved. We have a 2006 Porsche Carrera S here for the works. We're going to be going through this car head to toe, up and down. What we have planned for this car to get it back to its original but a little better state is a full restorative detail, full high-end restorative detail where we remove all the dirt off this car. We're going to restore the paint, full level 3, level 4 maybe, paint correction. We're going to do a full steam on the interior. We're going to pull the seats out, steam the carpets, restore some of the plastics in the interior. But first, it's going to our favorite tint shop, Dark Shader Window Tinting out in Lake Nona. We're going to get this crusty old tint off this car, and then we're going to start our methods. But this vehicle will be a perfect representation of our high-end restorative detail. Like I said before, the wheels are going to come off. We're going to thoroughly detail those. We're going to detail the suspension, engine compartment, the frunk, full interior, and we're going to give you a before and an after, showing you what it looks like now. This car has 81,000 miles on it. It's a 2006 in white with tan interior, and it's pretty rough. But once it's done, she's going to be a showroom car. So stay tuned.